Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download maps on the Wikiloc application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the record trail icon down below. And after that, tap on this map icon that you can see in the right side corner of the screen. And if you scroll down, you can see that there is a bunch of options. And if you tap on the download button, you will be able to download Hungary's map. So tap on download, and here you can see the size of the file. So if you want to continue, tap on yes. As you can see, it's indicated that the download has started. Offline apps are really useful, since if you don't have any data nor Wi-Fi or any kind of internet connection, you will still be able to navigate yourself. And there are also these online maps, so if you have Wi-Fi connection, you can check out the satellite, standard, open street map and open topo map options. So if you are interested in any of these, just simply tap on the relevant one, and then you will be able to check out the online maps. As you can see, the download is already done. There's a few seconds left. Now it has been downloaded, so if you tap on the map itself, you will be able to see it on your screen, and you can use it whenever you don't feel like using your Wi-Fi, or when you don't have any data left. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.